The long-awaited day has finally arrived. The 82 RM250 restoration test ride. If you saw the previous videos in this series, you know I completely rebuilt this bike. And now, I'll find out if I got the motor put back together correctly. Does the clutch work? Did I reassemble the gears correctly? I don't know, but we're about to find out. And whatever happens, you'll see it firsthand. I'm either going to look like a great mechanic or a total idiot. Now, I am running straight 927 caster at a 20-to-1 ratio, but that thing's smoking more than 10 hippies at the Cannabis Cup. Come on, man. While the older two-strokes do require a richer mixing ratio and smoke a little more than a bike that takes a 32 or 40-to-1 mix, I'm familiar with what's going on, and I can tell by the way it's running that the timing is a little too retarded on this bike. The aftermarket stator has no timing marks, so there's a little bit of guesswork involved. Big difference, a lot more responsive. And man, the shifting is unbelievably smooth. Yeah, baby. The 82 RM250 officially rips. And it's an absolute blast to ride. I'll call this rebuild a complete success, and it will look awesome sitting in my living room. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, and if you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. I've got a lot more videos coming. As always, thanks for watching.